When purchasing a plot, the owners of private houses first of all think about the house, garden and vegetable garden. When the minimum program is completed, there is time and desire to start decorating the territory. And here you will come to the aid of sculptures made of wood, wooden figures, and live in the side, give it a unique look and make it more interesting. In order for the sculptures to become the highlight of your garden and not turn into a tasteless heap of figures, follow the designer's advice when decorating the site. Wooden sculpture is best suited for a landscape or country-style garden. Place wooden figures next to the conifer trees, on the bank of the pond, on the lawn. But in the middle of a multicolored flower bed or next to a flower garden, it is better not to put them because flowers will draw attention to themselves and the sculpture will go unnoticed. It is very important to choose the right place on the site for placing wooden figures. They don't have to be near the entrance. Sculptures can be placed near the border of the suburban area or in its depth. The main thing is that they do not interfere with movement in children's games. If you decide to place several figures side by side, then all of them must be made in the same style. In addition, arrange them in such a way that when looking at one of them, all the others are not visible. They can be covered with shrubs, branches, or other greenery. With the help of several sculptures, you can create a whole thematic composition. A fairy tale, a scene from village life, a rural estate, a forest corner, etc. The size of the sculpture must match the size of the area where you decide to place it. On the lawn or near the curb, install medium-sized figures. If you plan to place the sculpture on a large lawn among tall trees or shrubs, its height should be approximately equal to human height. Small items, in this case, can be placed on a pedestal. If you want to highlight the sculpture in order to highlight it in the evening and give the figure a more mysterious look, then set the backlight from below. Garden sculptures made of wood can be very diverse. Some of them perform a purely decorative function and serve only to decorate the site. Others not only cause aesthetic pleasure but also have an applied value.